Where's the souvenir shops when you need them?
I don't know. They're always just
Where?
You went to the Grand Bazaar.
No. Yesterday I slept in the morning.
Oh, you slept in the morning. All right.
Yeah.
No magnets there?
Actually,
I'm gonna...
yeah, it's incredible. It looks like a shopping center,
Yes.
but indoors, and the shops full of people. It's crazy. I recorded some videos. I'll put it on YouTube. But, man, it's really nice.